mga katrops, welcome back to our channel. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bomber Command. Yun, ito Bomber Command. Dito lang to sa Nanton mga katrops. Bomber Command Museum of Canada mga katrops. Kasi itong Nanton dati sa mga command center ng Canada. Lancaster Command Center. Ayan yung plano ng signature site. Alright, so pasukin natin itong museum ng Command Center, Bomber Command of Canada. Let's go! There we go mga katrops. Oh wow, the Bomber Command. Yeah. There's a pilot time. Yeah. Hello. No food in here. What is mga katrops? This is the inside of the Bomber Command. See? So nice. Yeah, they can buy a t-shirt here. Mga katrops. Cool stuff. Yeah. Stickers. Also mga katrops. Ooh. Yeah, jackets. Oh, look. An airplane t-shirt right here. So cool, Dine. Oh mga katrops, this is the hangar. Oh my God, look at that airplane. So big. Woo. Ito yung tinatawag mga katrops na command center dati. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. This is the real bomber. Look at that mga katrops. It's so big. They used it, kid, in the World War II, kid. Look at the bomb. Look at this bomb. Harley, look. It's huge.
Oh, I want to go inside.
No, come here. This way first. You can play here if you want. See? You can go inside there pretending.
I think it's real.
Yeah. Grabe yung eroplano mga katrops. So, ito yung bumomba dati sa sa Europe. Pinadala kasi ito sa Europe nung World War II. Ayan, tingnan mo, grabe oh. Lancaster. Ang galing. Oh. Snowbird. Wow, look at this. Isipin mo yun. Meron pang ganito natin. Oh, look at that oh. See? Yan yung machine gunner dati oh. Ang lupit nito. Ang laki. Hello, how are you today? Yan, ito yung mga mga katrops ng mga signal kung saan yung mga kalaban. Ito siya oh, yan. Ang galing nito oh. Ito yung mga pang-tura-tura yung mga katrops eh. Ang lupit oh. Kathleen, come here! Ang lupit. Ang dami pala yung plano dito sa loob ng command center eh. Dito lang sa Nanton mga katrops. Isang oras sa Lethbridge. Yung lupit oh, ang likod nito mayroong pang machine gunner oh. Ang galing. Come here! Oh, look at this. Mga katrops, you can go inside here to become a pretending pilot, the Snowbirds. How are you today, guys? Yeah. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah, the small bomb. This is the biggest bomb, mga katrops. One of the biggest bomb. Ito yung compartment ng bomba, mga katrops eh. Ayan o, tingnan mo. Pag mag-open to, tapos yun, lalaglag niya yung bomba dyan. Ang lupit. Ang laki talaga itong Bomber Command eh. The Bomber Command. Oh, yan mga katrops oh. So big. See? I don't know how much. You gotta buy ticket first before you go inside there. Yeah. See? So big. Oh, look at this plane mga katrops. Oh, yun pa oh. Daming aeroplano dito sa loob ng hangar eh. Ano kaya ito? Oh, this is like the head of the airplane mga katrops. RCAF. Look at this. So, look, there's a real gun over there.
What's it gun?
Yeah. It's a real gun. Oh. Yo, the Lancaster cockpit. Yeah, that's the one. You can go in. Okay, come on, let's go. Hey guys, we can go in here. We can go in here.
You gotta go here.
Huh? Oh, wow. This is the inside of the cockpit, mga katrobs. Woo.
I'm not.
See? Look. The cockpit. Here we go. Let's go inside now. Oh, over. Oh, look at this.
I want to drive.
Go drive. Get in. Oh my God, look at the hole. The hole. Yung kinabahan ng bala mga katrobs. Oh, see? Yeah. Wow. Get the ticket over there.
Alright, so if you guys mind putting on the hard.
Oh yeah, sure. Let's go get the hard hat first, mga katrops. Get your hard hat. Right there. Okay, come on, let's go inside. Oh. Ooh. Inside of the bomber command. Be careful, okay?
Yeah.
Oh. See, this is the inside of the bomber command, mga katrops. So tight. Eh, ito yung sinasabi kong machine gunner, mga katrops. Rear gunner. Yan o, rear gunner.
It's so wobbly.
Yeah. This is an airplane. Oh, be careful, okay?
Yeah.
Let's go inside now.
Ah.
Yeah, be careful. Wow. See? Inside the
gun machine.
machine gun machine right there. Go inside na. Oh. Yan. This is yung machine gunner, mga katrops. Oh. Yo.
It looks like a lobby.
Yeah.
It's a lobby.
Oh my goodness. Go inside.
What the? It's Roblox.
Come on.
Right?
Yeah, be careful, okay?
We can't go there.
Please do not sit under. Don't stand here. You can go inside here. You want right there. Doon yung cockpit, mga katrops. Oh. See? Ooh.
Why are we swapping helmets?
Yeah, I know.
Stop dropping
We're just like a real army here, mga katrops. The
Put your arms right there.
yeah. See? All right. So cool, Dime.
Look, are these bombs?
Yeah. There's a bomb over there. Don't do it. Yung mga katrops, ito na yung sa taas ng aeroplano, mga katrops. Oh. Ang lupit, di ba? Tanaw mo talaga pagka ano kay piloto. Tapos ito yung machine gunner sa kabila. Ang lupit. Kaya may pakpak na laki. Oh.
What is this outside?
No, don't go there. Only me. Come on, let's go. Over, come on. So yan mga katrops. Kung nagbabala kayo pumunta sa mga ganitong museum, eh nire-recommend ako itong Bomber Command. Dito na sa may Nanton, Lancaster Museum to mga katrops. Madadaanan mo na to pag pumunta ka ng Calgary. Pero yun, ang kagandahan kasi dito, hindi siya masyado matao kasi madadaanan mo lang siya eh. Ilang beses ko na ito nadadaanan pero di pa ako nakapasok dito first time ng lahat. So yun, na-amaze kami. Well, you like inside this airplane, Time?
No, I didn't go inside.
No, this one, that one. Remember we go there? Yeah. You need to get a helmet before you go inside there, mga katrops. So hanggang dito na siguro yung munting vlog natin sa Lancaster Bomber Command dito lang sa Nanton, Alberta. Stay tuned and rock it.
Our video, please like and subscribe.